this video, we're diving into an in-depth review of the 2025 Pontiac Firebird Formula 400. From the sleek exterior design to the luxurious interior, performance capabilities, and pricing, we've got it all covered. Let's start with the exterior mode. The 2025 Pontiac Firebird Formula 400 is a head-turner. It continues the legacy of the iconic Firebird, blending classic muscle car styling with a modern twist. The front end is aggressive, featuring bold lines and a large open grille that channels a sense of power. The signature split grille is flanked by sharp angular headlights with accents, giving the car a futuristic touch while still respecting its heritage. The sculpted hood is not just for show, it hints at the power beneath, with vents that provide cooling for the engine. Moving to the sides, the Firebird Formula 400's wide stance and low profile make it look ready to pounce. The rear of the car features a sleek spoiler, integrated taillights, and dual exhaust outlets that emphasize its performance-oriented design. The overall shape is aerodynamic, with a coupe-like silhouette that enhances its speed and agility on the road. Pontiac has also offered a variety of bold color options, and the addition of large alloy wheels completes the aggressive look. Inside, the 2025 Firebird Formula 400 takes luxury and sportiness to the next level. The cabin is a blend of modern technology and comfort with a performance-focused edge. You'll notice premium materials like leather and carbon fiber accents, giving the interior a high-end, sophisticated feel. The bucket seats are sporty and supportive, perfect for those who want a balance between comfort and handling during spirited driving. The driver's seat is designed to keep you firmly in place while the car handles tight corners or straight-line acceleration. The center console houses a high-resolution touchscreen infotainment system which supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for seamless connectivity. The system is responsive and intuitive, allowing you to easily control media, navigation, and climate settings. Below that, there are physical controls for climate and the drive mode selector, giving you quick access to different performance settings, from more efficient modes to the full performance beast that the Formula 400 can become. As far as tech features go, the Firebird Formula 400 doesn't disappoint. It includes advanced safety features such as lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. You also get a premium sound system that adds to the driving experience, making the roar of the engine even more thrilling. Under the hood, the 2025 Firebird Formula 400 is where the magic truly happens. Powering this beast is a 6.2-liter V8 engine that delivers an impressive 455 horsepower and 455 lb-ft of torque. It's paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, though enthusiasts can opt for a 6-speed manual if they prefer a more hands-on experience. The performance is simply exhilarating. The Formula 400 rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.3 seconds, and the top speed is an impressive 175 mph. The engine growls with authority, and you'll feel the power surge as you press the accelerator. The suspension is tuned for both comfort and performance, making it equally at home on winding roads or cruising the highway. One of the standout features of the 2025 Firebird Formula 400 is its handling. The car's magnetic ride control adjusts the shock absorbers in real time, ensuring that whether you're driving on a smooth highway or a bumpy back road, the ride remains composed. The steering is precise with just the right amount of feedback, allowing for sharp turns and confident driving at high speeds. When you combine the engine power with the finely tuned suspension, you get a car that's not only fast, but also incredibly fun to drive. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 Pontiac Firebird Formula 400 is a premium vehicle, and its price reflects that. The base price starts at around $55,000, but depending on the options and trim levels you select, the price can climb closer to $65,000 or more. This puts it in the same price range as other high-performance muscle cars like the Ford Mustang GTs or Chevrolet Camaro SS, but with its unique style and Pontiac's legendary performance pedigree, it offers a different kind of driving experience. In conclusion, the 2025 Pontiac Firebird Formula 400 is a car that blends modern technology with the spirit of classic muscle. Its exterior design demands attention, while the interior offers a high level of comfort and tech features. On the road, its performance is exhilarating, and it handles like a dream. Whether you're looking for a car that's thrilling to drive or one that stands out in a crowd, the Formula 400 is a fantastic option. For those willing to spend a little more, you're not just getting a car, you're getting a piece of automotive history. That's it for today's review of the 2025 Pontiac Firebird Formula 400. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews like this one. Let me know in the comments what you think of the Firebird Formula 400 and if you'd love to take one for a spin. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.